Welcome back again, and I will today create a very nice design that adds to the stock of designs that we have on this channel. We'll keep designing and putting them out here because that is the work we do. Like when we work on anybody's designs and the client's pleased with the work, we try to emulate that with a dummy text on it and then put it here. What I will ask you to do, I only ask for one thing. I'm not asking for donation here. I'm not asking for any other thing. I only ask for a subscription, like and share, so that it motivates us to continually put out good content for you to learn. We'll come out with more educational, anything tech, because this is, if you look at that banner, this is a full-fledged and one-stop shop for all tech things. Kindly subscribe and you have more content to consume here. We plead with you to do that and then motivate us to do more content for you. Thank you very much. Let's begin then. Choose my rectangle tool and then get rid of the outline. Simple. Now I go for a white background. Now I need to copy it as usual. You know what I used to copy. This is how I'm going to copy it. I've copied it. I need to go for my curve tool and then, because I want to create a shape, I need to go for rectangle tool. Now I convert it to curves. I will just double click here to shape, give it a shape, and then give it a background color of this way. Now I will have to copy it again, push it up a bit and change the first curve layer to another color, which is going to be a bit, let's see, I'll give it this color. Another layer here and bring it up a little bit, but this here I would push this one rather a little bit back and give it this color. Now I have to change the background color, this one to brighter, correct. This color is good. Now I copy this again and then push it back, and then get this here and give it a little brighter than this one, correct. Now I have to zoom out and give a very clear design here. I want to make sure that this is equal to this here, and then I will zoom out again and then bring this one here. Zoom in again and then shape this one to match this. So I bring this one also here and then zoom we are done with this one, then I will just copy the content here, copy it here. You can copy it in the place, and then I have to rotate it. I will rotate it 180 degrees. 180 degrees. Simple, 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 simple. Then I have to complete. I have to just I didn't do that. I'll do same to this one. Power clip inside. That's done. Now I have to zoom out. You can create anything. You are free to create anything you want. So this one, I'm going to put this text here, but I'll change the color because it doesn't match, and I'll put the name up here. Put the logo here, and then lock the now let me come and properly modify it for you to see. This color is not the same as what we have here, so I'm going to use this color. It's deep, and we have this. We're going to change it as this one as well. Then we will have to break this text. It's already broken. Let's change it to this color, and then let's select this. I told you earlier that we're using the shift key, hold down, that's long press, and then you click on this items. In Coreldraw you can use that to select all of them. We have a different approach in Photoshop, but those tutorials will come later. We need to take it a step at a time. We are done with the front side of it. Let's go back and then create the back side of it. We are going to do double click on the rectangle to get rid of the outline. Create a similar thing here. Let me get it. Let me copy this thing. This one is going to be a little bigger, so we are going to extend this from here. And drag it back a bit. Clip it inside. Sorry, no. Now we give it we do another small layer here. We are styling it to make it look very, very beautiful. You can design it any way you want, because we're designing, it's just your idea. Make sure you also stick to the principles of the lines, so that at least now I give it this color, get rid of the outline, and then draw it inside here for power clipping purposes, I'm going to power clip it here. I will now have to edit power clip, bring this one forward, object, front layer. So this one is going to be at the back of it. I'll finish power clip, and I'm now going to create another big thing for styling purposes. So you watch it at this. We are doing it. Watch it very well. Get here and then push just a little bit up also. Now the design that we want, we have created our design we want. So let me go here and do some small editing here. I want to get rid of this. Then I will power clip it again, finish power clipping it. Then I will go and choose this color. Get rid of the outline. Power clip it. I'm going to power clip it. Now I have to just insert it in. Very nice then. Now I have to go for my logo. But this time around, this logo is going to be changed to white so that it appears properly here. So I click on the white color and then convert to white and then bring and then select it here and then bring it here. This is quite a beautiful one. What I urge you to do is follow it, watch it multiple times so as to be able to understand all the steps involved in creating this, so that you can also come out with such beautiful designs. Kindly subscribe. We are almost done. I will have to go and then export it. Choose the and then press the B key. Get rid of the outline. Get rid of the outline and then Ctrl E for exporting it. Now, it's always possible to create something from your imagination. Just put those ideas together. Let's go to the back side of it. Here, press it. Get rid of the outline. Ctrl E. Told you this, modify it else you overwrite the original one. That's the front side of it, which is not right. So sorry, there's another mistake here. It's just adding background. I forgot to add the background. But always don't forget to modify the back side of it, else you'll make a lot of mistakes and then overwrite the previous one. Now we have a background. Let's go and look at what so this is the front side of it. Let's look at the back side of it and then we are creating sorry. This is the back side of it. Welcome always to this channel. Come and learn everything you want here. Kindly subscribe again, share and like, and if you have any question you can ask us and we will reply you on time. Thank you very much.